Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Monero on Kraken. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Kraken account. This usually involves providing some personal information and completing identity checks. Once your account is ready, you can proceed to fund it. You'll then be able to find the Monero trading pair on the platform, which is typically listed as XMR against various fiat currencies or other cryptocurrencies. To fund your account, navigate to the deposit section. Kraken offers several methods, including bank transfers, which are often a reliable choice. Make sure your bank account is properly linked and verified with Kraken to avoid any delays. Carefully enter the amount you wish to deposit, for example, $500, and confirm the currency. Always double-check these details before finalizing the transaction to ensure accuracy. Once your funds are available, go to the trading interface and select Monero or XMR. Choose the buy option. You can then specify how much Monero you want to purchase, either by entering a specific amount of XMR or by indicating how much fiat currency you wish to spend. For instance, you might buy 1.5 Monero. Review all the order details, including the price and total cost, before confirming your purchase. After buying Monero, consider withdrawing it to a private, non-custodial wallet for enhanced security and control. This moves your assets off the exchange. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account and any wallets you use. This adds a crucial layer of protection against unauthorized access. Remember, securing your digital assets is paramount. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.